Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add FAQ or frequently asked questions on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. In the center of your screen, you're going to find all of these sections or all of these sites that you have on Wix. Go to the site you want to edit and click on select and edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to your dashboard. If you go here to the left, you're going to find all of these sections right here. And at the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit your site. So go ahead and click on edit site. And then you're going to be taken to this tab right here. So just wait for the page to load. This is basically going to be the Wix website editor. And this is how it will look like once loaded. If you go here to the left, you're going to find all of these tools that will help you design and customize your site. So right here, you're going to find the option to add elements, add section, pages in menu, site design, add apps, and so on. So go ahead and click on add apps. And then once you're here in the App Store, just go to the search bar and then search for FAQ like this. Then hit enter. Once you do that, you're going to find all of these results for your site search. So right now, go ahead and choose this application, FAQ, organize your frequently asked questions into an easy to use format. Give it a click, and after that, click on add to site. And once you click on add to site, you need to click on agree and add, and then just wait for it to load. And after that, it's going to be added to your site. Once added, click on open. And then once you do that, you're going to be right here in this page. So right now you need to just choose a plan, or you can also go with the 7-day free trial. And then you're going to be able to organize your frequently asked questions. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.